In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and animate motion graphics in Premiere Pro with the Essential Graphics panel. We'll start by opening the Essential Graphics panel so everything you need is right at your fingertips. If you don't see it, go to the window menu and enable Essential Graphics. With your timeline and program monitor visible, click New Layer inside the panel and choose either text or shape. Text is perfect for titles and labels, while shape gives you rectangles, ellipses, and polygons you can use as backgrounds, accent bars, or buttons. Don't worry about getting it perfect right away, we'll refine the look next. Now let's design your graphic. Type your text directly in the program monitor, then use the Edit tab in Essential Graphics to adjust font, size, weight, alignment, and color. For shapes, draw a rectangle or ellipse and set the fill and stroke to match your brand or project style. If you're layering text over a shape, place the shape beneath the text in the layer stack so it acts as a clean background. Keep readability in mind, choose high contrast colors, add a subtle drop shadow if needed, and use consistent spacing. You can quickly center everything with the align and transform controls so your layout feels balanced and professional. With the design set, it's time to animate using keyframes. Select your graphic in the timeline and head to the Effect Controls panel. Under Motion, toggle the animation stopwatch for properties like position, scale, or opacity to create your first keyframe at the playhead. Move the playhead to a later time, then change the value, drag the graphic in the program monitor to animate position, adjust scale for a zoom, or lower opacity to fade in or out. Premiere automatically creates the second keyframe and you'll see the motion take shape between them. A quick tip, if you're scaling and the element isn't growing from where you expect, adjust the anchor point so the animation pivots from the right place. To make everything feel polished, add ease in and ease out. In Effect Controls, right-click your keyframes and choose ease in for the motion ending and ease out for the motion starting. This softens acceleration and deceleration, removing that stiff mechanical look. You can fine-tune the smoothness by adjusting the velocity handles if needed, but even a simple ease makes a big difference. That's it. Open Essential Graphics, design your text and shapes, animate with keyframes, and smooth it out with easing. Practice a few variations, and your motion graphics will instantly look more cinematic and intentional.